Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and professional craftsmen. Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing away at rust and old paint? Looking for the perfect sandblaster to make your restoration projects a breeze? Well, you're in luck because today we're counting down the top 7 sandblasters on the market that will transform your projects from tedious to terrific. Have you ever wondered which sandblaster gives you the most bang for your buck? Or which one is best suited for your specific needs? Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned professional, I've tested these machines extensively to bring you the most comprehensive reviews possible. So let's dive right in. 7. AMTOVL Sandblasting Gun. The AMTOVL Sandblasting Gun is an entry-level option that caught my attention with its affordable price point. This siphon feed blaster quickly propels media out of the nozzle, making it suitable for basic cleaning tasks and small restoration projects. I found the lightweight cast aluminum construction to be a nice touch, providing decent durability while remaining easy to handle during extended use. When testing this gun, I appreciated the variety of ceramic nozzles it comes with, allowing for some versatility in the types of projects you can tackle. The nozzles have different bore diameters ranging from 4.5 mm to 7 mm, which gives you options depending on the abrasive media you're using. I was able to use it with various abrasives including sand, aluminum oxide, and glass beads, which is convenient if you work on different types of surfaces. However, I noticed that the AMTOVL struggles with maintaining consistent pressure during longer sessions. After about 15 minutes of continuous use, the performance began to waver, requiring me to take breaks to let my compressor catch up. This could be frustrating if you're working on larger projects where time efficiency is important. Additionally, the media container isn't particularly generous, meaning you'll need to refill it frequently during more substantial jobs. The minimum air requirement of 6 CFM at 80 psi means you'll need a decent-sized compressor to power this tool effectively. I found that when using a smaller compressor, the blasting power was significantly reduced, making it less effective at removing stubborn rust or paint. 6. Holdwin Sandblaster Gun. The Holdwin Sandblaster gun presents itself as a versatile option for DIY enthusiasts looking to tackle medium-sized projects. When I first got my hands on this tool, I was impressed by its solid construction and the comfortable grip that made extended use less fatiguing. The gun features a straightforward design that makes it accessible even for those new to sandblasting, and I found the setup process to be relatively painless. During my testing, I appreciated the gun's ability to handle various types of abrasive media. I experimented with everything from standard sand to aluminum oxide and glass beads, and the Holdwin managed to propel each type effectively. The adjustable flow control is a nice feature that allows you to fine-tune the output based on the specific requirements of your project, giving you more precision when working on delicate surfaces or intricate details. Unfortunately, I encountered some issues with clogging when using finer abrasive materials. The internal passages seem prone to blockages, especially when working with media that has a higher moisture content. This required me to stop working several times to clear the gun, which became frustrating during longer sessions. While the tool is easy to disassemble for cleaning, having to do so repeatedly disrupts workflow and reduces overall efficiency. Another drawback I noticed was the somewhat limited capacity of the media container. For smaller touch-up jobs, this isn't a major concern, but when tackling larger surfaces like automotive parts or furniture pieces, I found myself refilling the container frequently. This, combined with the occasional clogging issues, made larger projects more time-consuming than they needed to be. 5. Tayapura Pressure Washer Sandblasting Kit. The Tayapura Pressure Washer Sandblasting Kit represents an innovative approach to sandblasting that caught my attention immediately. Unlike traditional compressed air sandblasters, this kit attaches to your pressure washer, utilizing water pressure to propel abrasive media. When I tested it on some rusty garden furniture, I was pleasantly surprised by how effectively it removed years of weathering and corrosion. This kit comes with a comprehensive package including a 9.8-foot hose, pressure washer wand, sand wand, protective goggles, hose clamps, and 4 ceramic nozzles. The build quality impressed me right away. Constructed from brass and stainless steel materials that provide excellent resistance to corrosion and abrasion. During my testing, these materials proved their worth, standing up to the abrasive media without showing signs of wear. One of the standout features of the Tayapura kit is its maximum working pressure of 5,000 psi, which allows it to tackle even the toughest rust and paint removal jobs. I found it particularly effective when removing old paint from concrete surfaces, where traditional sandblasters might struggle. The kit also handles temperatures up to 60 degrees Celsius per 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile enough for various environmental conditions. The working principle is straightforward. It uses suction-fed injection of sand into the water system. I experimented with different media including dry silica sand, baking soda, and washed river sand, all of which worked effectively through the system. What I particularly appreciated was the lack of dust compared to traditional sandblasters, making it much more pleasant to use, especially in enclosed spaces where dust control is important. 4. Tool Daily Pressure Washer Sandblasting Kit. The Tool Daily Pressure Washer Sandblasting Kit proved to be a versatile addition to my restoration toolkit. Similar to the Tayapura, this kit transforms your pressure washer into an effective sandblasting system, but with some notable refinements that enhance the overall experience. During my testing on a rusted metal gate, I was impressed by the smooth operation and consistent results it delivered. What immediately stood out about the Tool Daily kit was its thoughtful design. The ergonomic handle provided excellent grip even when wet, and the weight distribution felt balanced, reducing fatigue during extended use. The connection points are robust and well sealed, which prevented the leakage issues I've experienced with similar products in the past. This attention to detail suggests a product designed by people who understand the practical challenges of sandblasting work. The kit performs exceptionally well on a variety of surfaces. I tested it on metal, wood, and concrete, adjusting the distance and angle to achieve optimal results for each material. The ability to control the intensity by varying your pressure washer settings gives you remarkable flexibility, from gentle cleaning of delicate surfaces to aggressive removal of stubborn rust and paint. This adaptability makes it suitable for everything from restoring antique furniture to preparing exterior walls for painting. One feature I particularly appreciated was the efficient media consumption. The Tool Daily kit seemed to use less abrasive material compared to traditional sandblasters while achieving comparable results. This efficiency not only reduces operating costs, but also minimizes environmental impact. 3. NANPU Air Sandblaster Gun. The NANPU Air Sandblaster Gun impressed me with its professional-grade performance in a compact, user-friendly package. This gravity-feed sandblaster delivers exceptional control and precision, making it ideal for detailed work where accuracy matters. During my testing on automotive parts and ornate metalwork, the NANPU consistently provided the fine control needed for professional quality results. The build quality of this sandblaster immediately communicates durability. The cast aluminum construction strikes an excellent balance between weight and strength, substantial enough to feel robust in hand, yet light enough for extended use without fatigue. The ergonomic design includes thoughtful touches like a comfortable grip and easily accessible controls, allowing for precise adjustments even while wearing protective gloves. What truly sets the NANPU apart is its exceptional media flow consistency. Many gravity-feed sandblasters struggle with maintaining uniform abrasive delivery, but the NANPU's well-engineered reservoir and flow control system eliminated the pulsing or surging I've experienced with lesser models. This consistent flow translated directly to more uniform surface treatment, reducing the need for rework and saving valuable time on projects. The versatility of this tool also deserves mention. I tested it with various abrasive media including aluminum oxide, glass beads, and walnut shells, and it handled each type flawlessly. The ability to quickly switch between different abrasives makes this an incredibly versatile tool for workshops that handle diverse projects. From delicate glass etching to aggressive rust removal, the NANPU adapted admirably to each task. 2. Lematec Portable Sandblaster Gun Kit. The Lematec Portable Sandblaster Gun Kit stands as a testament to thoughtful engineering and premium craftsmanship. This Taiwan-made tool immediately distinguished itself during my testing with its exceptional balance of power, precision, and versatility. When I used it to restore a heavily corroded set of vintage tools, the results were nothing short of remarkable, achieving in minutes what would have taken hours with lesser equipment. What immediately impressed me about the Lematec was its innovative dual feed system. The kit features both gravity feed, with a suction cup on top, and siphon feed with a 6-foot siphon hose, allowing you to quickly switch between configurations based on your project requirements. This flexibility proved invaluable when working on complex projects with varying surface areas and accessibility challenges. The gravity feed excelled at detailed work, while the siphon system made quick work of larger surfaces. The ceramic nozzles included with the Lematec kit deserve special mention. These high-durability components showed minimal wear even after extensive use with aggressive abrasives. The precision-engineered nozzle design creates an optimal air-to-media ratio that maximizes blasting efficiency while minimizing media consumption. I found this particularly beneficial when working with more expensive specialty abrasives, where the reduced waste translated to significant cost savings over time. The Lematec's performance across different applications was consistently impressive. From automotive restoration to glass etching, from rust removal to surface preparation for painting, this versatile tool handled everything I threw at it with aplomb. 1. VEVOR Heavy-Duty Sandblaster. The VEVOR Heavy-Duty Sandblaster represents the pinnacle of portable sandblasting technology, and after extensive testing, I can confidently say it stands in a class of its own. This 5-gallon powerhouse combines industrial-grade performance with thoughtful design elements that make it accessible even to those new to sandblasting. When I used it to restore a severely weathered garden bench, the transformation was nothing short of spectacular, removing decades of paint, rust, and corrosion with remarkable efficiency. The construction quality of the VEVOR immediately communicates its professional pedigree. The heavy-gauge steel tank feels virtually indestructible, while the powder-coated finish provides excellent resistance to corrosion and abrasion. All fittings and connections are precision-machined and sealed properly, eliminating the leaks and pressure losses that plague lesser units. During my testing, this robust construction translated to consistent, reliable performance even during extended blasting sessions. Operating within an optimal pressure range of 60 to 110 psi, the VEVOR delivers powerful blasting action that makes quick work of even the most challenging surfaces. I was particularly impressed by how efficiently it removed mill scale from structural steel, a task that often requires industrial equipment. Yet despite this power, the system offers excellent control through its precision valve system, allowing you to dial in exactly the right amount of media flow for your specific application. The portability of this unit deserves special mention. Despite its substantial 5-gallon capacity, the VEVOR remains manageable thanks to well-designed wheels and a balanced frame that makes maneuvering it around the workshop or job site remarkably easy. Final thought. So there you have it, the definitive countdown of the best sandblasters available today. Whether you're looking for an affordable entry point into sandblasting or a professional-grade system for demanding applications, there's an option here that will meet your needs. Remember to always prioritize safety when sandblasting. Proper respiratory protection, eye protection, and appropriate clothing are essential regardless of which system you choose. Happy blasting, and here's to bringing new life to old surfaces.